Hi everyone, this is how to reset settings on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE edition. To do this, go to Settings and scroll down to the General Management menu. That's it. Here you need to find the Reset tab. Here it is, and tap on that tab. And first you have some backup options. What I like most is temporary cloud backup. You can backup unlimited data to Samsung Cloud for up to 30 days and restore later. Or you can backup your device to external storage and restore later. And now we have some reset settings. So we have reset accessibility settings only. We can reset network settings, which resets Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth connections. We can reset all settings except security, language, accounts, personal data, settings for downloaded applications. And the king of all resets is factory data resets, and after this reset you will set up your phone from scratch as if it were a brand new device. So pick your option. For example, I wish to reset all settings. Tap on blue button. Unlock my screen. I have pattern, maybe you have PIN code or password, never mind, just unlock your screen. And all settings will be reset to their defaults and can be recovered. So to apply the new settings, your phone will be restarted. So reset. And just wait. Now your phone is restarted, so enter your PIN code for your SIM card, then unlock your screen and the phone is starting. And now let's apply the factory reset. Let's go back to settings. Let's go to general management and let's go to reset, and let's make factory data reset. Scroll down. Here we see all our accounts, applications, and all of those applications will be deleted and our memory will be completely cleared of everything. So we will have just brand new device. So tap reset, unlock the screen, and agree to delete all. Turn on mobile data. You need to verify your Samsung account to make the factory reset. So let's send email. I have to tap on this blue button. ID verified successfully, so please return to the previous screen to continue. Let's return. Let's return. So now our phone is shutting down and it will be resetted to the factory settings, and we will have to set it up from scratch. Let's see how it works. Well, I've been waiting for about 2 minutes, which was speeded up on edit, and now I have to unlock my SIM card. Tap OK. And then I am on the welcome screen and I can start to set up my just resetted phone. But this is the topic for another video. Subscribe our channel to not miss it out, and thanks for watching.